40 questions to test your overall English skills. From B2 to C2 level. Ready to try? What does an old hand mean? Answer B. Experienced. What does as right as rain mean? Answer D. Completely fine. Which is a synonym of animal? Answer A. Creature. Choose a synonym for better. Answer B. Improved. What is the antonym of capacity? Answer A. Limitation. Opposite of approximate. Answer C. Exact. Choose the correct plural form of domino. Answer A. Dominoes. What is the plural form of batch? Answer D. Batches. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. He pretended to be asleep. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B. Had I followed the instructions, I would not have made a mistake. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D. She told me she had finished the report by Monday. Form the past simple of dive. Answer B. Dived. What is the past simple form of inset? Answer A. Inset. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Passionate. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Renovate. Find the correct spelling. Answer B. Guideline. Pick the opposite of assert. Answer D. Deny. What is the opposite of attenuate? Answer A. Strengthen. Opposite of brusque. Answer A. Polite. Which is a synonym of prepare? Answer C. Get ready. Choose a synonym for reclusive. Answer D. Solitary. What word is closest to bear? Answer A. Exposed. What does get cold feet mean? Answer B. Feel scared. What does off one's rocker mean? Answer D. Mad. What does fall foul of mean? Answer B. Trouble. Form the past simple of stink. Answer C. Stank. Choose the correct past form of befall. Answer D. Befell. What is the past tense of bust? Answer C. Bust. What is the past simple form of think? Answer D. Thought. Choose the correct plural form of access. Answer A. Excesses. What is the correct plural of capability? Answer C. Capabilities. Choose the correct plural form of torpedo. Answer A. Torpedoes. What is the plural of company? Answer C. Companies. Fill the gap. Answer C. Did he say anything about the meeting? Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. His willingness to cooperate helped resolve the conflict. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D. I asked him why he had been late for the meeting. So close now, just 4 questions remaining. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Characteristic. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer D. Progressively. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Responsible. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A. Absolutely. How did you do? What was the toughest one? Comment your score and follow for more.